The Perseids meteor shower is set to light up the night skies tonight, what is considered one of the highlights of the year for stargazers. Known as the fiery tears of St. Lawrence, the Perseids will be visible in clear skies after sunset tonight and until dawn on Saturday. During this period, there could be up to 150 shooting stars per hour this year, according to Royal Observatory Greenwich. The celestial event takes place when the Earth plows through galactic debris left by the passing of the swift Tuttle comet, and is considered the best meteor shower of the year. Perseids is often dubbed the best of the year because of how bright and active it is, with swift and bright meteors. NASA says it's considered the best meteor shower of the year, and one of the most plentiful showers with swift and bright meteors. The Perseid meteor shower peaks in mid-August, or one every 20 to 30 seconds. The display is caused by Earth slamming into the debris left behind by Comet 109P, Swift-Tuttle in July and August each year. Perseids frequently leave long wakes of light and color behind them as they streak through Earth's atmosphere at its peak. The Perseids can produce 150 meteors per hour. Clear skies are also expected for most of the UK on Friday night for the Perseids meteor showers, a Met Office spokesperson said. However, again there will be a layer of cloud in northwest Scotland. The Met Office told Mail Online that skies are expected to be completely clear for much of the UK, with excellent viewing conditions for the shower, making for poor viewing conditions here. It's possibly that light from the extra bright full moon could make the Perseids harder to see when watching for meteors. The darker the sky, the better. The bright moon may also make viewing the meteor shower a little more difficult at times, the Met Office spokesperson said. Meteors, also known as shooting stars, come from leftover comet particles and bits from broken asteroids. When comets come around the Sun, the dust they emit gradually spreads into a dusty trail around their orbits. Every year, Earth passes through these debris trails, which allows the bits to collide with our atmosphere where they disintegrate to create fiery and colorful streaks in the sky. However, the events won't pose a threat to humans as the objects nearly always burn up in our atmosphere before reaching the planet's surface. Meteors come from leftover comet particles and bits from broken asteroids. When comets come around the Sun, they leave a dusty trail behind them. Every year Earth passes through these debris trails, which allows the bits to collide with our atmosphere and disintegrate to create fiery and colorful streaks in the sky.